Welcome to the Medical Informatics tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use various resources on medical informatics. We will start with the library catalog and subject guide. Then we'll search PubMed and other NCBI databases. You will see how all NCBI databases are connected. In the beginning of a research, you may want to browse books so that you can get a broad understanding of the topic. To find books on medical informatics, we will search the library catalog. Under Find Books, click the first one, New BU Library Search. Type Medical Informatics in the search box. Click Search. You get a lot of entries. Let's add cancer to find the books on how medical informatics is used for cancer research. We still get a lot of entries. Notice that most of them are journal articles. Let's filter the result. In the left side of screen, find Refine My Result. Click All Books. We have now only books, no journal articles. Some of them look very relevant. Next, we will check out Subject Guide. A subject guide is a great way to start your research. You can find many different resources in a single place. Click Subject A to Z on the menu bar. Click I through O. Click on Informatics Medical. Here you find e-books, databases, e-journals, and many other resources that will help you find information on medical informatics. Check out other relevant subject guides such as genomics and proteomics or molecular biology. Next, we will search PubMed. The PubMed link is located under Find Articles. Let's search articles about BRCA1. Type BRCA1 in the search box. Click Search. We have a lot of results. Above the search result, you'll find a suggestion from PubMed to help you find BRCA1 in the gene database. Since we have too many hits, let's use MESH to make our search more precise. Choose MESH from the drop-down menu. Leave BRCA1 as it is. Click Search. Notice that we are in MESH now. MESH stands for Medical Subject Heading. The MESH database contains the terms that indexers use to describe subjects of an article. Let's click the first one, Genes BRCA1. Let's examine the key features of a term in MESH. First, it gives you a definition. It is important to read the definition carefully in order to avoid choosing a wrong MESH term for a search. Next, it gives you subheadings. Subheadings give options to focus on certain aspects of the term. Scroll down. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find where the term is located in MESH hierarchy. To use this term to search PubMed, click Add to Search Builder at the upper right corner of the screen and click Search PubMed button. Now we are back to PubMed. The search finds all the articles that have genes BRCA1 as a subject. We can further refine the result using filters located in the left side of the screen. We can limit to review articles. You can limit to particular publication date. Under publication date, click Custom Range. Type 2005 and leave the rest of boxes as they are. The search limit article publication since 2005. You can limit to particular population. To do so, click Show Additional Filters. Check Ages. Notice other filters available. Click Show to close. Notice that these filters are shown but not applied yet. Click Adult 19 plus years. Now the filter is applied. We now have much more manageable number of hits. Next, we will search BRCA1 in the gene database. We can go to the gene database from PubMed. Choose gene from the drop-down menu. Type BRCA1 and search. Notice that we are in the gene database, not in PubMed anymore. The first entry is BRCA1 in human, the second one is in mice, and the third one in rats. Click the first entry. Let's take a look at key features of a typical entry. First, it's a summary section. Notice that it has many other names. In summary, you will find the disease information. Below, you'll find the genomic context. It gives you location and sequence information. You find that the gene BRCA1 is located in chromosome 17. Notice to the link to epigenomics and map viewer. Let's check out map viewer. You can search the genomes of many different organisms using map viewer. In the left, you'll find the zoom bar tool. The longest one shows full chromosome, the next one 1/10, and so forth. The ideogram below shows where in chromosome 17 the gene BRCA1 is located. Let's examine the map. Here is BRCA1. Notice link to other NCBI databases. MapViewer is useful to find nearby genes. These are BRCA1's nearby genes. On top of the screen, you will find a link to other NCBI databases. Let's continue to examine BRCA1 in the gene database. Below genomic context, you will see genomic regions, transcript, and product. Here, you can view the intron, exon, coding region organization of a gene and its RNA product, or the placement of pseudogenes. Below, you'll find the bibliography and links to PubMed. On the right-hand column, under Related Information, you'll find various links to other NCBI databases. Click OMIN. Now we are in OMIN, Online Mendelian Inheritance in Man. It is a catalog of human genes and genetic disorders. Click the third entry. Now we are looking at the complete OMIN record of BRCA1. Notice that the text contains links to references and other OMIN record. At the bottom of the record, you will find the bibliography. This ends the tutorial. Please review the gene, OMIN, and BLAST tutorials in the Blackboard to learn more about each database. If you have any questions, please contact the reference desk.